There comes a shlok in Durga Saptati. It says, it describes Lord Shiva. I'll read the shlok. Chita bhasmalepo garalamshanam dikpatadharo jatadhari kante bhujagapati hari pashupatihi kapali bhuteshu bhajate jagadishaika padavim bhavani tvatpani grahana paripati phalamidam. The shloka says, Hey Bhavani, people call Shiva as Jagadish. Shiva means pure. And Jagdish means he who is controlling the world. But the truth is, look at Shiva's form. It describes, what is Shiva's form? Oh, Shiva just smears his body with the ashes of dead bodies. Okay, so all the dead bodies, when they become ashes in the graveyard, he just goes, he takes it and smears his body. So how is he Shiva? How is he pure? He's impure. Anybody who takes the ashes of dead body and smears on his body, if you see such a person, what will you say? Oh, he's so impure, go and take a shower. You'll say that, right? And Shiva is smeared in this ashes and sitting. Not only that, Garalam, he drinks garal. Garal means poison. He likes to drink poison. Shiva's neck is all bluish because he's drunk with poison. If you see somebody drunk like that, like a hobo, what will you say? Oh, stop that. But here Shiva is drunk with poison, intoxicants, and then Shiva is smeared with this dead body ashes, and not only that, he does not wear anything. He says, I want to be naked. And he is naked. So first of all, you look at a naked person with all these ashes smeared and like in a drugged, intoxicated state. And then you look at his hairs, that also is not washed. It is all matted. And on top of that, he is having cobra in his neck, all around his neck, snakes around his neck, in his hand. And what will you say? Oh my God, is he mad? What is he doing with the snakes in his neck? But he's having snakes in his neck. And he is Kapali, and and then he's surrounded by all his group of devotees who are like ghosts and spirits and goblins. Yet such a person who, when you look at him, he looks very impure, surrounded by all these impure people, yet people worship him and call him Shiva, means the most purest, the most auspicious. Yet people make him the leader and say he is Jagadish, he is the controller of the whole world. How is that happening, Ma? It is only happening because of you, because you held his hands in marriage. That because of you, Shiva has been given such respect despite his outer looks. Oh Ma, it's because of your Shakti, your energy that Shiva has become respectful in the whole world.